This is a RugDoctor Pro. I got it for rentals, just easier than renting one every time. Also have the motorized scrubber upholstery tool. Comes in handy for getting vehicles, corners, anything. You have the dirty tank right here. This is the hose port for the upholstery tool. You have your clean tank right here that you release. Have your clips right here to hold everything on, the little caddy to release it. And right here are the buttons you have for the carpet right here. You have for the tool right here. Very, very simple design. Love the RugDoctors. Use them all the time. Great for rentals. They also have them to rent. I just prefer to always buy mine. Upholstery tool is great to have, especially for vehicles and kids.